Okay, so we're working on a '06 Dodge Ram 3500 6.7 diesel. AC compressor has seized, and to fix it, it requires an AC compressor and at least a receiver dryer and flush the system. So I was curious as to whether or not you could bypass this AC system. It shows a belt routing for non-AC, which I have here, and I talked with the dealer and they only list one belt tensioner. Turns out there is a secondary set of holes to bolt the belt tensioner on. It's hard to see, but you can see the previous hole on the right hand side of the tensioner where the tensioner used to be located. So the same tensioner is moved outboard and up slightly and locates in a new hole. I had to run a thread chaser through the hole in the engine block frame because it was rusty. So got the belt on. I tried to do this without taking the fan blade out, but that was nearly impossible. You can't get your hands in there, and it's a pain in the ass to get the fan blade in and out. But looks like this is going to work, and the customer can elect to fix the AC at a later date. In case you're curious, the fan belt, non-AC belt, is this one here. No other parts required, just relocate that tensioner. It is a bit of a challenge to get in there, but it is doable. So when you're reinstalling this fan shroud, the shroud has to go in before the fan blade. So if you flip the rubber seal back, it's a little bit of a challenge, but you can roll the rubber seal back, and then that gives you that much more room and you're not fighting with it. And then once it's installed, flip the seal back again. It's a bit of a challenge, but it's doable.